Little storyteller.
Maya giggled. Her fluffy bunny, Snowdrop, was gone. Oh no, she said, looking around her sunny yellow bedroom. Suddenly, Maya wiggled her nose. She felt a little tingly. Poof! She wasn't in her room anymore. She was in the park. She remembered losing her red crayon here last Tuesday, while drawing a big green tree, and there, under the same big green tree, was Snowdrop. Maya hugged Snowdrop tight. You silly bunny, how did you get all the way to the park? She asked. Just then, her friend Leo walked by, kicking a bright blue ball. Hi Maya, what are you doing here? He called. Snowdrop ran away, Maya explained. I lost my sparkly hair clip by the big slide last week. She remembered. Wiggle, wiggle, nose tingle, poof! Maya and Snowdrop were now by the big colorful slide, and guess what? Leo's bright blue ball was there too. My ball, Leo shouted happily, running to grab it. Thank you, Maya. Maya smiled. She could only teleport to places she'd lost something, but sometimes it helped her friends too. Maya, Snowdrop, and Leo played together in the sunny park. Even though Maya couldn't teleport to fun new places she'd never been, she realized helping her friends was a special kind of adventure. It felt good to share her unusual ability. Sometimes, the best surprises are the happy smiles of your friends.
Please subscribe. Thank you.